Billy, Bonnet. I'm so excited to be here today marrying you. I've spent the last few weeks thinking about our relationship, and it's just been the best time I've ever had. It has genuinely been the most amazing years of my life, and you've completely changed things for the better. We've had endless incredible memories, and I cannot wait for so many more to come. I can't believe how lucky we are. I found someone so caring, supportive, loving, goofy, hilarious, thoughtful, curious. You were everything and more. Growing up, I never believed I needed someone to complete me. Instead, I hope to find someone who will love me for who I am, just as I would love them for their whole self, and together we can navigate life. That's exactly what we found. People often say there's nothing like marrying your best friend, and now I truly understand what they mean. I found someone who loves so many aspects of life, someone who is fascinated by the little things, and goes all in for the people and experiences that you love. Our relationship, family, friends, new neighborhoods, discovering new restaurants, whether that's finding the perfect slice of pizza in Brooklyn, to uncovering the oldest pubs in London, to making the most of every Sunday and the time that we have together. You love things for their details and what makes them different. You cherish a high quality life and the moments that make life amazing, and I cannot wait to build the rest of this life with you and go through all of life's first moments together. Back in our Stanford days, I remember trying to describe you in one adjective. We were just friends at the time, but I found it so hard to find one word to describe you because you embody so much. I always come back to present because that's how you live your life personally, professionally, and especially with our relationship. You're the glue between family and friends, and you care so deeply, and I love that about you. I'm so excited for this next chapter. If it's anything like the last few years, we'll be the luckiest people on the planet. We have a lifetime ahead of us, and I can't wait for it to start today. I love you. I promise to always support you and stand by you for life's inevitable twists and turns. I promise to always be your biggest fan. I promise to always find the good in life when one or both of us can, and to always remember to laugh and not take life too seriously. I promise to build a home and family together and to teach them to never stop being curious the way that you've taught me. I promise to love you forever. Those are my vows.
Little nerve. Honeybee. Most people long their whole lives for this and never feel it. You've been incredible. You have to believe in miracles because I genuinely believe this is one. I've said this before, but you are what I am not. You're effortlessly kind. You light up every single room. You naturally know how to make people feel incredibly warm and welcome. You automatically see the best in people and trust them with everything you have. I constantly learn from you, and I will continue to do so. The day I met you, awkwardly, in the Westport office, you were wearing that blazer jacket. Very business casual and awkward, I must say again. I don't remember what your fun fact was in our icebreaker exercise as a group, but I do remember how nervous you were and how red your face got when it got to your turn. And I needed to treat you differently from everybody else. I just had that feeling. And now I know why. I vow to always be on your team. I vow to always be your biggest fan. You're my family now, and you're my first priority. I feel so lucky to have experienced all that life has offered us. Getting the chance to meet Bobby, the old beach house, knocking my head on every doorway, the evergreen house, Porter sprinting around the yard, my Nana talking to you in perfect English after a few pumpkin IPAs, our first date in Stanford, and those amazing crab rangoons, exploring East Village together, like you mentioned, our first apartment in Brooklyn, moving to London, getting engaged by the stick statue, exploring all of Europe, having the busiest 3 years of our lives. These have been the best years of my life since that day in 2017 when I first saw you. I'll never forget how good of a friend you were. You truly cared about me, automatically, unconditionally. My 24th birthday that you basically helped throw, I'll never forget that. I think that was the moment I fell for you. You have this raw, natural confidence to you. You're endlessly interesting. I'll never get sick of when you call me a dingbat. the way you say mountains, sandwiches, ambulance, when you say dang it. So I promise to always be there for you, to always take care of you, and to always be by your side. I will always be goofy, clumsy, and I'm sure you will always be laughing as I continue to stub my toes on all of our new furniture. I vow to always listen to you, to push you when you need it, to inspire you, to motivate you. I promise to be honest, I promise to be loyal, and to share with you all my deep, dark secrets. I promise to never give up on us. Through the ups and downs, I will always love you. And I love you.
Ding dong.
Oh, wow.